back. This is Lynn Castillo, and on my left is Ben Snipay for your weekly dose of fun and exciting news topics and discussions about anything and everything under the sun. This is Lynn's 83.7, your ultimate weekly addiction.
Wow.
Yay! Alright.
Sa mga addiction.
Yes.
So talagang ma-addict sila dito.
Yes.
Ano ba naman?
Sa part ko.
Ay naman.
Nagusto ba ako? Ganyan!
Nag-isip. Ayan. Ito, pressure sa school. Pero ayan, hindi tayo pa maganito.
Buti naman!
Ito na mga teachers.
Yeah. Okay.
Ikaw, kumusta ka?
Okay lang din. Masaya. Pressure din sa school. Okay, so, kumusta ka naman? Ay, ito na pala. Anyways, guys, meron kami news sa inyo. Finally, we got an email or a personal message natin.
Yeah!
At marami kaming nakuha personal messages. And we figured na we would read them to you so that, you know, para to sa segment na Sincere Lynn. Nalala niyo pa yun? Yes. Okay. So, let's start first. This is going to be our first topic. So, it says right here. Dear Lynn, I'm 14 and I have a friend who might be anorexic. We've known each other for about 4 or 5 years. Nobody ever told me what to do in this sort of situation and I'm concerned. I want to help but don't know how. What should I do?
Ano ba yung anorexic?
Anorexic is parang it's a psychological illness na pagkabari. Example, titingin ka sa salamin, tapos in reality, ang payat mo na. Pero yung tingin mo sa sarili mo is you're still fat. So, you try not to eat.
So, parang, parang feeling mo laging, parang feeling mo ang pangit mo?
Yeah. Feeling mo taba-taba mo. Alam mo yung
Correct ka dyan.
sa beautiful na, ni Christina Aguilera. Yun, gano'n.
Oh.
Yeah, remember? Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So, yun. Ako naman, masasabi ko dyan, what should you do? Really, what you can do is try to help her by telling her na, you know, as nicely as possible na, you know, you should be happy with who you are and you shouldn't change, you know, yourself physically, drastically. Kasi, I mean, you know, no, you can't get everything with your good looks. And at the same time, you know, kung you're a little on the heavy side or you're too skinny or whatever, either way, you shouldn't, you know, tell yourself to do something na, you know, your body's not capable of doing. And if it gets a bit too much, you need to ask for professional help na. Because afterwards, you can tell her, you know, to go to a rehab place where she can get help with her anorexia. And same goes for the fat people who wants to look really skinny, and same goes for the skinny people who wants to look really fat. So, yun.
Parang tingin ko, parang start din kayo na parang kayo mga mag-friends. So, parang indirectly, parang purihin nyo yung isa't isa. Gano'n na siya, di ba? Kasi parang,
definitely.
Na-feel niya na pangit siya or whatever. Parang start niya sa inyo. Siguro, parang one step at a time, ayos din yan. Siguro, kung parang lalala, parang
tsaka tama yun. Kasi, I think it all starts with peer pressure, di ba? Kung sasabihin sa'yo ng friend mo na, ay, yung taba-taba mo. Siyempre, may-conscious ka. Parang, example ko,
mag-example
example ko sarili ko. For me, okay lang. I mean, beforehand, siguro nung sinasabi na, ay, halina, taba-taba mo, ganyan. And then parang, tapos biglang pubayat ako na sobra-sobra. Tapos sabihin na, oh my God, di na taba-taba. Ay, payat-payat mo. Magpataba ka naman. Tapos yung tumaba na naman ako. Sabihin na naman nila, kailangan mo papayat. So parang, syempre, you have to find your place in the world. Tapos hindi naman lahat makiklease mo, di ba?
Yeah.
So, yun. Kaya kailangan, relax lang. Okay.
Yan. So,
right.
So, ito na yung second email.
Next email.
So, dear Lynn, I'm 16 years old and I'm having problems with my mother. She has been looking into my stuff, checking my mobile phone messages, and reading my diary. Even when I was really in school, she would suspect I was somewhere else. I tried talking to her, telling her that I am not guilty of all the things she's suspecting me of. Still, she doesn't believe me. What should I do?
Sorry. Yes,
First
ang
of all,
parents
sa
ko.
kanya nila, the fruit doesn't come or doesn't fall far from the tree, which means if your mom might suspect you of whatever man yun, I think feeling ko nung bata siya, yun ang ginagawa niya. Kaya parang she wants to just make sure na you don't do the same mistakes as she did, or it's either super protective lang siya sa'yo, so you shouldn't really feel na, you shouldn't feel na that's going beyond the privacy.
Correct ka dyan.
Kasi, like you said, you're only 16. I mean, ang layo-layo mo pa from being 18 in the first place. So, hindi ka pa legal to think for yourself. Hindi ka pa pwede hindi ka pwede umalis na, to tell her to shut up or whatever. Kasi, beside all that stuff na ginagawa sa'yo, yung mom mo, she just wants to protect you. It's not like life in that situation naman na she's gonna look through your stuff. Kasi, for example, you wouldn't even be here if it weren't for her.
Correct ka
She's
dyan.
feeding you every day. So, I think that's the least you can do is just try to understand. And if it gets to be too much, then, it's already your decision to tell her. Just tell her nicely. And if she doesn't listen, tell her na, tell her na when you're 18, you can't do that. So, make sure na ngayong 16 pa lang ako, do all you can do. Ganyan. So, parang,
May ganyang problem. Parang,
yeah.
sa tingin ko parang, kailangan mo lang talaga, parang i-prove sa parents mo na worthy ka nung trust nila.
Exactly.
Parang, kahit ako may friend akong ganyan na sobrang grabe kung bandayan siya nung nanay niya. And ang nagiging problema naman, parang, sa kanya, parang kung lalo mong sinasaka, lalo siyang umaalpas, parang ganon.
Yun.
So, kailangan lang talaga i-earn mo yung trust ng magulang mo para, at saka dapat open yung communication. Siguro parang maganda yung may time na parang mag-uusap kayo, sharing kayo. Parang, alam mo, parang at least alam niyo yung mga nangyayari sa'yo and yung mga ganung bagay.
Yeah, tama. And to be honest, it's true na. Kasi kung ikaw sa sarili mo na mas gugustuhin mo pa na hindi na, alam mo yun, yung parang magre-rebelde ka pa because of that. Parang, syempre, nasa sa'yo na yun kung gagawin mo yun. Pero mas maganda na rin siguro na hindi. Na kumari may chance ka na magrebelde, try mo na wag na magrebelde para ma-make sure na your parents, your mom in particular, will make you feel, or you will make her feel better of herself na lang, na para maging kampante siya na wala kang ginagawang, crazy stuff behind her back.
Or kung hindi mo kaya siyang kausapin, pwede ka ring mag-write ng letter.
Yeah,
it's true, it's
true. Kahit pa paano, mag-start na, maisip niya na kailangan kanya makausap. Ay, kailangan mo siya makausap. Yun.
Yeah. Tsaka mahirap din kasi kung sa sarili mo lang yun, mag-iino ka pa. Mag-cut ka ng wrists mo and everything. Siyempre, mahirap naman yun. Mas mahirap yun.
Yeah, tama.
Ayun, okay.
Yun.